YouTube, Eric DIY and Zach with another instructional video for you. My wife's car has problems. It has rough running while driving the car. We already hooked up the code reader to the car and it's throwing a P0301, which means there's a misfire on the first cylinder. We're going to try to remedy this by changing all her spark plugs. This is going to be an instructional video on how to change out your spark plugs as demonstrated on a 2012 Hyundai Elantra GLS. Let's go over what you're going to need to replace the spark plugs. First off, we have a really bad ratcheting wrench, but it works. We have an extender because the spark plugs are going to be down in there to get out. So this is a 3/8 inch, 9-inch extender. You're also going to need a 5/8 inch spark plug socket. The reason why it's a spark plug socket is because it has this little rubber piece in there. I don't know if you can see that. It has a rubber piece in there which will grab onto the spark plug. We also have a 10mm bolt remover because we're going to have to unlock the ignition, for lack of a better term, coils to get to the spark plug. So we're going to do that. Right, Zach? All right, we're going to fix this car. Last thing is you will also need 4 spark plugs for your car. So our first step is just to take off the engine cover. There's basically 4 little things here. You just wiggle it off right here. And then the other 2 will get loose as you get there. And the cover comes right off. The second step is to come to the back of the engine. And your spark plugs are right here. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the ignition coils. So we have to take these off. Each one of these ignition coils has a 10mm bolt, which we're going to take off. We're going to replace 1 just to show you, but you would do the same thing on all 4 of these. We are going to go for the farthest one first, and we're going to check out how the spark plug looks, because again, we're looking for cylinder 1, which I believe is the one closest to the belts, and it's misfiring, so we'll see the condition of the spark plug by taking it out. We're going to take our ratchet here, 10mm bolt. I'm going to put it right on there. I'm going to go after those 10mm bolts to take off the ignition coil. I'm going to take the 10mm wrench here. I'm going to put it on top of the bolt. And we're going to loosen it by going lefty-loosey. So I have to change this to the left. And here we go. There we go. We're going to loosen up the 10mm bolt here and take it out. Do not lose the bolts because you're going to need to put them back. Has a bolt and a couple washers, so be careful. Next step is just to take this right out. You pull it right up. And that's your ignition coil. That will send the electrical signal to the spark plug. And your spark plug is right down that hole, believe it or not. So that's why you need the extension to get in there. It is deep in there. I'm gonna see if I can put a light down there and show you. Right down there is the spark plug. So we're gonna get that spark plug out of there and take a look at the condition of it. Zach's helped me immensely, especially with this Active Kids tool belt that he's wearing. He's holding all my tools and he's giving them to me as I need them. We're gonna take our ratcheting wrench. I'm gonna put the extender right on there just by pushing it on there. And we're gonna take the 5/8 inch spark plug socket. We're gonna put it right on there. And that will fit down the hole so you get on the spark plug. We're just gonna take the socket. We're gonna fit it down there until we get it around the spark plug. Should catch on the 5/8 inch socket right here. You're just gonna twist it out to the left and get it out. And we'll replace it with this one. I'm gonna go lefty-loosey. So we're turning to the left till we get all the way out. And it takes a while, they have a lot of threads. You pull it right out, it should stick to your spark plug. It's gonna change about 1 at a time. But if you could take it out, you just do the reverse. You're gonna put one in and you gotta tighten it down to 21 foot-pounds. So we're gonna do that one cylinder first. That's holding our new spark plug, the Autolite. I'm gonna take that, thank you, sir. Give me the spark plug, please, thank you. And we're just gonna put it on the end of the extender. And we're gonna go righty-tighty with it. We're gonna make sure it's in there. Righty-tighty and back into the engine. Put the spark plug down there in the hole. You're gonna catch it. And you're gonna turn it right to 21 foot-pounds. We're just gonna get it in there first. We're gonna make sure that it's good and all the way down there. 21 foot-pounds. It doesn't take much, so you don't wanna just bear down on this all day. And just some things here. They have a rubber boot which goes on top of the hole. It might fall off. You just put it right on top of that hole the way it came out. And then we're gonna put the ignition coil back down. See it right on top of the spark plug. So we have the ignition coil in there. It's lined up with that 10mm bolt. We're going to just tighten that 10mm bolt back on, and we should have our spark plug back in. I'm going to do it by hand to make sure we don't rip any threads out of there. Just catch it, and tighten it down. Again, 10mm socket. There we go, nice and tight. And that is how you basically change out and replace a spark plug. Just make sure that this is all the way down. It should be in the spark plug. I'm going to change all 4 out. It's just the same process on all 3 of these. And that is how you change out an old spark plug. Again, this was done on the 2012 Hyundai Elantra GLS. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. And while you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. We hope this video helped you, and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.